is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing another tech destruction video. Today I have something that is brand new that has only been opened once, but nobody's ever wanted to use it. So I was thinking we could destroy it. And what we have for it today, and what it is today, is a dehumidifier. Looks like the unboxing for something more better. So let's get into it. This is totally not gonna include the unboxing. Totally. Okay, I'm ready to unbox this. Anyways, we're gonna unbox it like this. Oops, I missed. How about we try that again with take two? Anyway, as I was saying, we're gonna unbox it like this. Yeah! Open the door. There it is. Turn this over. It's not coming out. I know a way to make it come out of its shell. Here. Now, let me get this. Wait. Okay, let's unbox this now. Open up the door. Open now. Well, that's all the water. Ah, there we go. That's better. It's already broken? Are you kidding? Wait, can I snap that on? I think I can if this stupid bag would move. I'm not ready for it yet. Ah, there we go. Now time for the bag. Get out of there, you. Duh, it already detached. Here, have your magical drumsticks. Duh, man. Here, get on and stay on. Now, this is gonna be easy since this is plastic. It's already cracked. Worst thing of 2024. Wow, it already came off. That's not our conclusion yet. Come on. And we're back. Oh, wait, no, turn. What the? Yo, this thing is bouncy, dog. Dog, this thing is bouncy. Dog, this thing is bouncy. Oh my gosh, that's so bouncy. That's so freaking bouncy. Unlike this, which is something that can easily be destroyed. Like, look at the quality of this plastic, dog. That sucked. What's this? Bro, that was such a hard hit. Bro, okay, that wasn't even a hard hit. I'm surprised we actually got a crack in that. Got another one. Yo, wait, we cracked the whole corner. Wait a minute. I think it can still work. Here, wait. It could still do its job. Here, have your... Have your top lid. Okay, wait. Yeah, there we go. Nope, it still sucks. Whoa. That's that. Have your magical drumsticks back. Oh wait, let me try to fix it. Wait, everybody, I think I can still just fix it and destroy it again. Let me see if I can fix it. I think I can fix it. Guys, I think I can fix it. Okay, I fixed it. Wait. Okay, I fixed it. So that's that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.